What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. 2 days ago, on a Dex activity na Dek Gimia posted on Instagram, a cute photo of him showing respect, greeted Mami May Kiao a Happy Mother's Day. On Instagram post, he captioned it, Happy Mother's Day to this beautiful woman. I love you so much, Mommy. Mama Makyo can't help it, but also shared the family photo on Instagram and captioned it yesterday on Mother's Day. But it's Daddy's Day too. Healthy and happy. As you can see, the family look so happy. Last day, in recess activity, recess ribbon also greeted Mama Mayla a happy Mother's Day. Scribble family cook a delicious food recipe that they love as always. Mrs. Scribble caption it, Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. I love you so much. Mama Mapla received a beautiful bag from Louis Vuitton as a present for Mother's Day. Guessing Mama Mapla was happy for it.